Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is going to be a quick tutorial on how do I do exports and downloads from Barracuda Cloud Archiving Service. It's a pretty simple, quick process. It's basically two scripts that you're running from the console on your browser. I'm using Edge. You can also use this in Chrome. Pretty simple. So. I'm only going to be showing screenshots due to security concerns on this one, so it's pretty simple. You go to your Barracuda Cloud Archiving Service, you log in, you'll see your Cloud Archiving Service on the left, you click on that, and then you click on Basics, Search, and from here you'll see your search. You just got to make sure you're in Advanced Search, so you'll see like a little button for it right there. Once you click on Advanced Search, you'll be able to put in your parameters here. And so once you're at this point, you can go ahead and use the scripts. So both of the scripts are going to be at this link. That's going to be in the description as well. So click on the link, and here we got the instructions. So first thing we're going to do is automate the exports. So things to consider here are your export tasks. So this you'll have to modify with whatever you're using. So for me it was pretty simple, just name of the task, start, end, since the only two parameters I'm using is the start date, end date. So you just run that, you just do inspect on your browser, and from here you go to your console, and then you would just grab this, copy it, paste it into your console, hit enter, and it would run the script. Pretty simple, nothing crazy there. The script will automatically run the exports for you. Next portion of it is you would go into the tasks. So you can see here tasks. So you click in there, and once the tasks are completed, you'll see in the actions column the download button. So what you do is, you go to tasks, then you select by using the check boxes here on the left, the ones that you are interested in downloading. Okay, and once you have that done, same thing, you just grab the second script here, and this will automatically grab all of them and download them into whatever your downloads folder is. So make sure your downloads folder is set to a place where you have plenty of space to do each one. One more thing to keep in mind is potentially Barracuda can only do exports up to 1 million files. So if you're running a search and the search returns more than 1 million emails, you're going to have to go ahead and split it up even further. So like my scripts just do basically I'm splitting it up in front half, back half of each year. So if you need more, then you would just do your export tasks. You would break it up even further. So your start date would be, if you probably want to break it into quarters. So you would do 01 to 3/31, whatever the end of the quarter is, and it should run the same way. And that's it.